Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. You're about to watch a screencast about obtaining a business visa in Russia. I'll give you the most important information regarding this offer. Stay tuned.
So we have two types of business visas. It's a single entry visa issued for a period of 3 months and a multiple entry visa issued for a period of up to 6 to 12 months. Our service here is to make you the invitation. So this invitation will be the legal basis for obtaining a business visa to Russia. In most cases, you will first need to obtain your business visa valid for 3 months, for 90 days. Then your second visa can be issued for up to 1 year. But please bear in mind that we have this rule. It's called 90 out of 180. So that means that the total period of your stay on the territory of Russia cannot exceed 90 days out of every 90 days. So that means that if you'll get your 1 year business visa, you can spend here 90 days. Then you have to go back to your home country for 90 days. And only then you can come back to spend here the second 90 days here. Please don't violate this rule, because otherwise you will obtain the entry ban for 3, 5, or 10 years. All right, here's the procedure. So first, after you give us initial information, we'll issue the invitation for business purposes. The law says that the Ministry of Internal Affairs needs 21 working days, business days, to approve the invitation. Basically, it's around 1 calendar month. All right. Secondly, the Ministry of Internal Affairs approves this invitation within 21 working days. That means that you will receive your invitation in digital form, and after receiving the invitation, you can book an appointment in Russian consulate service to stamp your visa in your passport. After arriving in Russia, you need to be registered within 7 working days. This is very important, because otherwise they will impose you a fine, which is 5,000 rubles. And if you need our services for registration, we can always do it for you. So here is the cost of services. Please bear in mind that the cost depends on your citizenship. So the single entry is from 40,000 rubles and multiple entry visa is from 60,000 rubles. The invoice for payment will be issued in dollars according to the exchange rate on the date of issuing the invoice. Basically, that's it. Check our payment procedure as well. If you have any questions, please contact Braiden Consulting. Managers will be happy to help you. All right, see you in Russia.
Thank you for watching. I hope this screencast was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our social media, to our YouTube channel, Telegram. We post useful information on a daily basis there. Stay tuned with Braiden Consulting.